Okay, what we got here, a passenger has put his hand here and pulled and broke this piece. This piece is held by a screw right here and a screw right there. Okay? I'm getting a good grip on a 732. Should be a metric, but I'm getting it done with a standard. And this one is a 8mm. To get to it, we had to disassemble the glove box a little bit. Take the screw, go around and take the screws out. I take these screws, there's one right here, there's one on the other side. You don't need to pull the whole thing out, okay? You can get to this. If you get to this, you can get to this, you consider it done, okay? So don't pull too much on this. And we're gonna go from there. Talk to you later. Okay, this piece popped in real easy. We're gonna test it, make sure the parts are working. And all we do is put this screw in, and using a screwdriver was easier to put this piece in. And we're pretty much done, okay? This is the only tool you need. You don't need anything else. And here's the finished project, okay? So we're done. Good luck. This piece goes right here. It has a top and bottom, so don't confuse yourself and mark it. Or just follow how just put a sticker where the top and bottom is. Also, this is plastic. These are plastic. Do not over tight. No more than like 4 pounds of pressure, okay? Be careful, you're gonna crack it. Bye. Hey, it's another day and we finished the project, but I forgot to ask you to subscribe. So I'm asking you to subscribe or press like, whichever you like, up to you. But that will get us to motivate us to create more content. Always subscribe to the creators if you like them. So y'all have a great day and we see you on the next project.